Here's our project for today. Re-plumbing this whole system here. A customer special, homeowner special here. Look at that. All non-pressurized fittings. See if you take a listen. Coming from these two valves right here. Oh, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna tear it all up. See what we get out of this. All right, so check this out. We got this cut here. Check this out. There's no glue. Oh my God. Oh Lord. All right, well, let's get it fixed. Had to come back to the shop to pick up a sub pump. Customer's plumbing is not plumbed in a way where we can elect to transfer the spa water into the pool water, so we're gonna have to do that manually with a sub pump. So this guy's system is completely not done the right way, and we're dealing with a homeowner special plumbing. So let's get back to it as quickly as we possibly can. Just wanted to say shout out, thank you for everybody who likes our page, follows us, follows me through this journey called a business in the pool industry. All right, so we came to get our sub pump, but it's all damaged. I repaired it once in the past, but she's going to heaven. So we're gonna try the siphoning way. Let me show you how we can try to get this done here. Submerge both of these lines. That's how we got it going. All we gotta do is get this spa lower than that pipe over there. That's how we finished it all up. I fought. I got this back up and running again. Who's trying to prime up right now? Well, looks fine here. I want to play this. It's probably stuffed. It's stuffed. Shit. Oh yeah. Gotta hold back a lot of pressure. There it goes.